Moving on now, in a first in India, Tamil Nadu government has flagged off home vaccination for disabled people. Now, the new service includes doctors and health staff who have arrived at homes with sealed vaccine insulated bags to provide special vaccination counters at UPHC centers across the 15 zones in Chennai.
Home vaccination having been the next step for the Greater Chennai Corporation as well as the government to ensure that people with disabilities are being vaccinated at the earliest, as well as people who are in the elderly category. I'm here with DC Revenue and Finance, Vishu Mahajan IAS. Sir, thank you so much for speaking with the Republic. So you are looking after this that has been launched on Saturday by Chief Minister Stalin. What is the procedure that has been going on?
So the vaccination for persons with disability as a category is something which the state government as a policy has been pushing, and as you know, it is one of the most vulnerable categories, and we must ensure that all of them are vaccinated. So for that, there are three modes in which it is happening. One of the options is to directly go to any of the 174 vaccination points, which is the UPHCs, UCHCs in the city, and they can get vaccinated there without having to wait in a queue or having to wait for a token. The second mode in which they can get vaccinated is by calling the helpline that has been set up by the Department of Differently Abled Persons, and they can register there, and once there is a threshold number, we'll go to that area with the doctors and the vaccines and set up a camp. We'll also provide vehicles to get the people to that camp and then vaccinate them there. The third mode is for a very specific category of people, which is defined as the severely disabled or the immobile persons with disability, for whom we are doing home-based vaccination. In this, again, we have tied up with the Department for Differently Abled Welfare, and teams from both the departments is prepared, and along the route they vaccinate each and every person and come back.
Sir, we are talking about, the 15 districts, 15 zones out here in Chennai as well. And while we're looking at it, how many people with disabilities have so far registered with the use of the two helpline numbers that have been given?
About 200 people have registered on the helpline that is for conducting special camps in their areas. Apart from that, the Department for Differently Abled Persons Welfare Department has already got a list of the third category, which is the severely disabled persons. For that, around 88 persons have given consent. So there is about 200 in the vaccination camp category and 88 persons in the home-based vaccination category who have registered and given consent. Apart from that, regularly also, as I said, in the regular vaccine points, vaccination centers, continuously vaccination is happening for the persons with disability.
Sir, we are talking about this step that has been pushed to ensure that people with severe disabilities as well as people who can be able to travel to the nearest UPHC centers, they can go and take this. So far, 2 days have gone by. How is the feedback that has been received, and what is the measures that we will be taking forward?
So feedback is very positive, and you can see across social media that there is a lot of goodwill for this initiative, and we will continue to push this drive and actively reach out to organizations. There's an entire group of NGOs who are also helping in this regard, and they're constantly in touch with both the departments, and through them we are calling further and reaching out to more and more people, getting their consent and then organizing as per their requirement.
Sir, how many NGOs have so far tied up with the Greater Chennai Corporation in this initiative to ensure that the disabled people can be, get the vaccination first?
For each zone, the Differently Abled Welfare Department has tied up NGOs. So every zone has a nodal NGO, and there are a group of NGOs for each and every zone. So for each zone, at least one NGO which is taking care of that entire zone is there.
All right. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Highlighting about the process that will be given and three measures that will be taken, three different types of measures that will be taken to ensure that the disabled people are getting inoculated. And starting off this initiative and drive by the Tamil Nadu Chief Minister M.K. Stalin himself, in collaboration with NGOs as well as the Differently Abled Department of Tamil Nadu, the Greater Chennai Corporation has so far been locating and identifying people with disabilities who can avail that particular agenda to ensure that they can be vaccinated at the comfort of their houses or in the nearby UPHCs. They will be also accompanied, those who wish to get home vaccination will be accompanied by the Greater Chennai Corporation officials as well as medical staff to ensure that if they are taking the vaccine at the comfort of their houses, they will be looked into and looked after as well. In Chennai, with camera person Dilip, Apurva Jayachandran for Republic.